Somewhere deep underneath, there's some nice turbos there that produce between 650, well, between 600 and 700 horsepower, so let's say 650. Haven't driven it yet, so my butt cannot verify it, but more importantly, has the supporting mods. AP Racing, my favorite calipers, Nitron suspension, curved wheels as well, so if the alignment is off, we have a good driver excuse. And yeah, cage, suspension secret goodies, home P seats, not bad. Which pads are those? Okay, some touring car pads, so, well, let's give it a go, see how it goes. Should be fun. It's on PS4S, by the way. Also important to mention, 255 front, and then on the back, like what, 275 probably? Where's the size? Size, yep, 275. I kind of know my BMWs, yay. Alright, let's go for a lap. I'm a bit sleepy, so need to wake up. Oh man. Welcome aboard. As mentioned in the intro, pretty sleepy, but worst of all, the driving position is not ideal. Why are the windows open? So let's see what kind of lap it's going to be. Big season is starting. The M2 in front of me has on the wing Civis Pacem Parabellum, slogan of the Marines, which in Latin translates to "If you want peace, be ready for war." I just want peace, man. Lost like 100 horsepower due to heat soak. fell asleep on the couch at like 11. Woke up at 2:30, went to bed, couldn't fall asleep for like an hour or more. Then Marco, my son, woke up at like 4:30, so fed him, tried to go to bed, couldn't fall asleep again. Then at 6:30 my alarm went off. Then I snoozed till 7:30, and then I went for a big run, like an hour long uphill run. And now I'm super tired and sleepy. That's why I'm not pushing, we're just chilling. Like, always know your limitations. Let this Lotus go through because he's quite fast. Okay, he doesn't want to. What, huh? Ah, okay. The mini club chose a perfect busy Sunday to chill with everyone. That was expected, but that's good to wake me up. The car isn't going straight. Verdict, first to give thumbs up to the Lotus driver. Yay, I got also a thumbs up. Yeah, the verdict. Big boost, little control, alignment off, open, well, not open diff, but like not a proper LSD. Can we get off here? Let's get off here. Seating position is off for me at least. I don't think the owner is taller than me, but because I'm just braking with my toes, so we're taking it easy. I'm sleepy. There's lots of traffic. Not the most exciting of laps. Brakes are good.